is a next weather alert from CBS News Miami.
All right, next weather meteorologist Nick Marianos has been busy all night long, keeping an eye on the radar. He's coming in right now. He's getting the latest updates for us. I know we'd had some alerts and some other things going on throughout Miami-Dade and even parts of Broward. So what's the latest right now?
Yeah, and I appreciate that. The flash flood warning we were following coming in for parts of Miami-Dade County, that has since been allowed to expire.
Like right now.
Like right now, yes. So we're still seeing the flood advisories for the city of Miami. And what I'm paying really close attention to is the stream of moisture that's just off the coast. I'm going to show you that too, because we could see some additional areas of rain like this coming in as we go through the rest of the overnight. And this may be also impacting our morning commute. So let's start off with the alerts in place. You can see here the flood advisories. That's going to be the green polygons. So those are a little bit harder to see, but we'll take a close look in because we're going to zoom in on this here in just a bit. But what we're going to be monitoring in terms of the heaviest rainfall is the fact that we're going to continue on there, watching all this activity continue to take place. So, Greg, if you can just zoom really close into the rainfall there, you can see where some of the heaviest is taking place across Miami-Dade, especially right over the city where we are seeing a lot of this rainfall. And notice to the east, right, just off the coast, you still have all of this rainfall that's going to be streaming in. We have that east wind. So as a result of that, we're going to notice during the overnight into the early morning hours is the fact that we start to see that convergence line, right? So all that's going to be leading to additional rounds of heavy rainfall. And so renewed areas of poor drainage flooding through the overnight hours can't be ruled out. Look at the amount of rainfall that fell over just the last 3 hours, 3 to 5 inches of rain, potentially up to 6 inches based off of some of the radar estimates that we are seeing coming in here. This is going to be near Bunch Park, all the way up toward the north as we get toward Hard Rock Stadium. So essentially Miami Gardens seeing some of the heaviest totals so far from this batch of rain that has now since moved down to the south, and it caused the flood advisories for the downtown area of Miami. Now, during the rest of the overnight hours into the morning, we're going to continue seeing that rainfall. You can see the bands, the striations coming right off the coast. So that's all that moisture that's just funneling in here. And our Next Weather Rain Tracker doing a great job with this, forecasting as we go through the overnight hours, playing out the scenario here. So as we get through about 7 o'clock in the morning, see where the heaviest rainfall is setting up. It's going to be right along the coast, essentially from Surfside all the way down to South Beach, and then more heavy rain down to the southwest. And as we go through the day tomorrow, round 3 starts, and that's going to be all of this down across the Keys. So if you're heading south, that's where the active weather is. To the north, by say Broward, and even beyond that, further north, much drier weather in place, and that's going to be on the northern side of this stalled out front that's going to continue keeping us a bit soggy for now, but as we carry on here between now through the next couple of days, we'll stay unsettled before we start to see a return of some dry weather, more pleasant weather, and then rain chances go up next week, early next week, along with the temperatures. We'll have another update with our forecast coming up. We'll be right back.